Welcome to OG, original ghost stories where the shadows whisper and the spirits speak. Every story here is real, every chill is genuine. If you think you're brave enough, let's dive into the unknown together. In the shadowed alleys of the unknown, where the unexplained beckons with chilling whispers, few have dared to venture as boldly as Gaurav Tiwari. Born on September 2nd, 1984, in Patna, Bihar, Gaurav's journey began far from the realm of the supernatural. As a young man, his aspirations were anchored in the skies, leading him to Florida at the age of 21, where he pursued a career in aviation. But it was here, amidst the clouds, that Gaurav first encountered the strange allure of the paranormal, a fascination that would consume the rest of his life. Gaurav's early life was marked by a blend of conventional and extraordinary experiences. Ordained as a minister of the Metaphysical Church of Humanistic Science, he began exploring the world of the unseen, delving into parapsychology and the paranormal with a zeal that set him apart from his peers. His charm and charisma even led to small roles in Bollywood, with cameo appearances in films like 16 December and Tango Charlie. But it was not the glamour of the silver screen that would define him. It was the eerie, shadowed corners of the world where spirits and spectres were said to roam. Tiwari's career took a sharp turn when he returned to India, armed with his newfound passion for paranormal investigation. He quickly rose to prominence as one of the country's leading figures in the field, a title that brought him both fame and infamy. His big break came with the reality show MTV Girls Night Out, directed by Sajid A. The show, which aired to much fanfare, was India's first horror paranormal reality series and even won the Best Reality Show award at the Asian Television Awards in Singapore in 2011. Tiwari's presence on the show was electrifying. Viewers were captivated by his calm demeanor in the face of terror, his methodical approach to the supernatural, and his unyielding belief that what we do not see can indeed hurt us. Gaurav's expertise was further showcased on Bhoot Aya, a show that saw him step into the role of lead investigator, unearthing stories of alleged hauntings across India. His investigations, conducted with a mix of scientific skepticism and deep respect for the unknown, struck a chord with audiences. Each episode unfolded like a ghostly narrative, with Gaurav at the helm, guiding viewers through eerie encounters and spine-chilling revelations. His work on the Sci-Fi series. Australia solidified his reputation as an international paranormal investigator. Alongside ghost hunters from around the world, Gaurav explored some of Australia's most haunted locations, lending his expertise to an already formidable team. But Gaurav's influence was not limited to television. As a mentor on MTV Hali Ticket, he guided contestants through the haunted corridors of Bhangar Fort, one of India's most infamous paranormal sites. His calm guidance in the face of terror inspired many who sought to understand the mysteries of the unseen world. Despite his growing fame, Gaurav remained grounded, always emphasizing the importance of a rational approach to the paranormal. Yet, despite his outward success, a shadow loomed over Gaurav's life, a shadow that would ultimately lead to his tragic end. On July 7, 2016, at the age of 31, Gaurav was found dead in his Dwarka home in Delhi. The circumstances of his death were as mysterious as the phenomena he spent his life investigating. Asphyxiation was the cause, and the initial report sent shockwaves through the community. Fans and paranormal enthusiasts speculated wildly, could Gaurav have been the victim of a vengeful spirit, finally caught in the web of the very entities he sought to understand? The eerie nature of his death seemed almost too fitting for a man whose life had been so entwined with the paranormal. However, the reality, as uncovered by the Delhi police, was much more tragic. Following an autopsy, it was determined that Gaurav had taken his own life, hanging himself in the bathroom using his wife's dupatta. The investigation revealed a darker side to his life, one filled with financial struggles and personal turmoil. Despite his public persona, Gaurav was reportedly under immense pressure. His paranormal projects, while popular, were not financially sustainable, and the burden of his family's expectations weighed heavily on him. The police stated that Gaurav had no major projects lined up for the future, and the meager income from his existing work was barely enough to sustain his household. These financial difficulties led to frequent disagreements with his family, who wanted him to abandon his paranormal pursuits in favor of a more conventional career. Gaurav's death left behind more questions than answers. Was it truly despair over his career and finances that drove him to this final, irreversible act? Or was there something more, a deeper, more sinister force that claimed his life? The very nature of his work invites speculation. Was Gaurav Tiwari a man haunted by his own demons, or was he the unfortunate victim of the very spirits he spent his life chasing? In death, as in life, Gaurav Tiwari remains a figure shrouded in mystery. His story is a stark reminder of the thin line between the known and the unknown, the living and the dead. And while the world of the paranormal is rife with tales of ghosts and spirits, perhaps the most haunting story of all is that of Gaurav Tiwari, a man who sought to understand the mysteries of the afterlife only to become a mystery himself.
If spirits really exist, क्या भूत सही में होते हैं? जी हाँ, सच जान के आपको बुरा लगे या अच्छा लगे, लेकिन सच्चाई यही कि होते हैं। चाहे भूत इंसान की दिमागी बीमारी हो या भूत सही में किसी की आत्मा हो, लेकिन भूत तो होते हैं ना। जैसे दिमागी बीमारी होती है, स्किज़ोफ्रेनिया होता है, बाइपोलर डिजीज होते हैं, वैसे हो सकता है भूत भी एक इसी प्रकार का कुछ बीमारी का सिम्टम हो जिसे हम डिनाई नहीं कर सकते। यानी भूत होते हैं और हम पैरानॉर्मल इन्वेस्टिगेटर्स यही ढूंढते हैं कि भूत क्या है। बेसिकली किसी के घर में अगर भूत की प्रॉब्लम चल रही है तो क्या वो एक साइकोलॉजिकल बीमारी है, दिमागी बीमारी है, या फिर वाकई में वहाँ पे कोई आत्मा है या आउट ऑफ बॉडी इंटेलिजेंस है। इंटेलिजेंस यानी कॉन्शियसनेस यानी चेतना।
Thanks for joining us on this haunting journey through OG. If these tales sent a shiver down your spine, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. But remember, when the lights go out, the story isn't over. Until next time, stay curious, stay haunted.